Hi everybody, I hope you're doing okay. So I received another video request today from somebody who identifies as gay and lives in Bangalore, and their question is, what is your opinion about live-in relationships for gay men? So I thought of making this video to talk about live-in relationships for gay men. So my personal opinion on this is that I am actually in favor of live-in relationships because of a couple of reasons. So I think one important reason is that in India same-sex marriage is still not legal. India में अभी भी same-sex marriage legalized नहीं है. So there is no formalized structure for gay couples to live together. Marriage is currently not an option. So if you are a gay person and if you are in a relationship with somebody and you want to start your own family with them, and I'm using the word family very intentionally, मैं family ये जो word है family मैं intentionally use कर रहा हूँ because in India when we typically think about family, we think about a man and a woman who are married, who have children. But I think we need to change this definition of family. Family का जो definition है ये हमें बदलना चाहिए because there are different types of families. You have single parents, you have a mother, you have a single woman who's raising children, you have a single father who's sometimes raising children. Sometimes you have people who are single, who live by themselves, who have a circle of friends, उनको भी family बोलते हैं. We also call that family. Similarly, if you have two men living together or two women living together or a trans person living with another trans person or maybe a cis man living with a trans person, that can also be a family. So if this is the understanding of family that we have, then I don't see anything wrong or anything problematic if two men or two women or people of any sexuality or gender are living together, assuming that this is a romantic relationship, a sexual romantic kind of relationship. A couple of things have to be kept in mind. A live-in relationship is a big deal. It's not a small deal because you are going to be sharing the same space with somebody. You need to be compatible with the person. So I would say spend some time talking to the person, getting to know them, chat with them. If possible, meet them as much as you can. One suggestion that I would have is that if one person in the relationship already has a house and the other person doesn't, spend some time meeting them on weekends, maybe spend weekends together, maybe spend a few days in a week together. If the person works on the weekend, you can maybe meet them on the weekdays and get to know each other. थोड़ा comfortable हो जाओ. You have to understand that when you live with somebody, there is so much that you need to factor in. For example, sleeping habits. Some people are night owls, some people like to sleep early. Other factors like the way they organize their bathroom. Some people are a little messy, some people like a very neat and clean bathroom. The same goes with rooms. So these are small things that matter. You should understand how this works. You should understand house कैसे चलता है. Some people are very comfortable doing their own housework. I know some people who like to cook, and then there are some people who prefer having somebody else come in and do the cooking and cleaning. So you have to figure out these dynamics. Once you figured out these dynamics and once you're comfortable, by all means you should go for a live-in relationship. Of course इसमें parents का involvement बहुत ही complicated है. What do you tell parents? And that I think requires another video. I don't think people in society will have a problem because in India it's quite common for men to hang out together. It's called homosociality. Which means that it's not a taboo if you see too many men together living together, even women living together. You have boys only PGs, you have girls only PGs. So given that it's very common to see men living together in dormitories also, you have boys hostels also. So if two adult men are living together, it's actually, I don't think it's a taboo. But I think it is a bit of a taboo if you open up about your relationship to your neighbors, and that is a decision you need to take. But I think it's a very important step in a relationship when two people decide that अब हमें अपने एक साथ रहना है, हमें अपना relationship को एक अगले level पे ले जाना है. And to be honest, I don't see this as any different from a marriage that heterosexual people are a part of. It is actually almost the same thing. It is two people who love each other, living together in the same house, sharing the same kitchen, sharing the same living room, maybe even the same bedroom. It is a very beautiful thing, and I think hopefully those of us who are looking to enter into relationships with people, this is something that we can hope to achieve sometime in our life.